Welcome back. We are doing IDFT using FFT algorithm. Okay. And in the last session we discussed how to bring IDFT diagram. So the same I am going to continue for 8 point. Okay. So that is, let me give you one problem. X of k equal to 5, 0, minus j, 0, 1, 0, j, 0. I hope you might have remember this problem. Okay. So one of the simplest one we discussed in assignment also. Question is, find 8 point IDFT. Careful, because this is frequency. The moment I give you frequency, it should be IDFT. Find 8 point IDFT using DAT FFT algorithm. Okay, so this is the question what I am going to do now. So before starting the problem, let me start with 8 horizontal lines. Okay. Careful. Slow and steady wins the race. If I ask you IDFT, input is x of k given, output is x of n. One by one, step by step, you try to do the problem. DAT means 2 point, starts from 2 point. Okay, I am going to start from 2 point, but sir, inverse. So end at 2 point. Okay, that's all the secret. If you slowly try to recall this, the problem is nothing. Okay. So here it should be 8 point. Okay. So careful. DAT start at 2 point, inverse end at 2 point. What is the first point? Opposite. Yeah, I made opposite. DAT opposite diagram, which means where I should do decimation, single rule. Where 2 point, there only it should be decimated. Am I right? So this side it should be decimated, which means x of 0, x of, what is the decimated sequence? Can you recall? X of 4, x of 2, x of 6, x of 1, x of 5, x of 3, and x of 7. That is for the 8 point. This side it should be direct. Okay, that side decimal, this side direct. Okay, direct in the sense x of 0, x of 1, x of 2, x of 3, x of 4, capital X. Okay. What is the first point? Inverse I made. What is the second point? Total factor should be conjugated. Okay, what is the total factor we had? 1 minus j become plus j. 1 plus j. Okay. This side between the bigger one, you should have bigger value. 1 by root 2 plus j 1 by root 2. Remember there it was minus j. Now it is plus j. Next j. I mean there it was minus j. Minus 1 by root 2 minus plus j 1 by root 2. Remember that particular total factor, just make it conjugate. Plus j, 3 plus. This is as it is. This is plus j. Okay. So we are ready. Third point is, at the end you should have 1 by 8, 1 by n. Am I right? Sir, why you made 1 by 8? Because it is 8 point. Be careful with your calculations. Nothing else. Now, let us start our work. Before doing just a small recap. Whenever you do IDFT, because you are going to attack a bigger problem. Okay, in the examination, it's 8 marks worth question. IDFT, inverse. Input is frequency, output should be time domain. Inverse, okay, I should remember inverse, ulta. DAT, T means start at 2 point, end at 2 point because inverse. Next, where 2 point, there only decimated, I made decimated. Next, conjugate the total factors, okay. The smaller total factor between smaller butterfly, it tips. Bigger total factor between the bigger butterflies. small tips. It's my own analysis. So at the end it is 1 by 8. So just direct sequences. So 5, 0, minus j, 0, 1, 0, j, 0. Direct sequences, no more decimations. Okay. I can start the problem. 5 plus 1, 6. 0 plus 0, 0. Minus j plus j. Am I right? It is cancelled. 0. Minus j plus j cancelled. 0 plus 0, 0. Next. 5 minus 1, 4. Careful. 5 minus 1, 4. 0 minus 0, 0. Minus j, which is minus 2j. Recall? Am I right? Minus j, so minus 2j. 0 minus 0, 0. No urgency. Okay, slow and steady with the rest. On the way, any number comes, multiply. 6, 0, 0, 0. 4 into 1, 4. 0 and anything, 0. So if you multiply, careful, j into j square is minus into minus plus. So 2. Better use calculator. No brain I used to say. 0 multiply 0. 6 plus 0, 6. 0 plus 0, 0. 6 minus 0, 6. 0 minus 0, 0. 4 plus 2, 6. 0 plus 0, 0. 4 minus 2, 2. Am I right? 4 minus 2, 2. 0 minus 0, 0. On the way, any number comes, multiply. 6, 0. 6 into 1, 6. 0 into j, 0. 6, 0. 2 into 1, 2. 0. Okay, careful. You remember the answer? In the assignment, you might have seen 6 plus 0, 6. 6 minus 0, 6. 6 plus 0, 6. 6 minus 0, 6. 6 plus 0, 6. 6 minus 0, 6. 2 plus 0, 2. 2 minus 0, 2. So divided by 8. So 6 divided by 8. 0.75. 0.75. Okay. 0.75. 0.75. Because 6 by 8 is limit 3 by 4. 0.75. 0.75. 2 by 8 is nothing but 1 by 4, 0.25, 0.24. Okay. The final answer, let us do it given separately. The answer is x of n is equal to, so it should be reordered, 0 location, okay, 0.75. Next, 1 location, 0.75. 2 location, 0.75. 3 location, so it is here. 0.25. Next to 4 location, 0.75. 5 location, 0.75. 6 location, 0.75. 7th location, 0.25 is that. Okay. But general tips, we will study this in the later in image processing. Whenever I interpolate with zeros in the odd locations, the values will repeat. Okay, that's it. Okay. So I hope this is the answer. We got it. Make a note of that. I would like to do the same problem once again. So question is same, answer you should get same. That is what I haven't erased still. But instead of DAT FFT, let me show you DAF FFT. Okay, simplest idea. Instead of DAT, DAF. Okay, come on, recall. Sir, the given question is x of k. So this side input and this side output x of n. Okay, I am ready. No doubt. Inverse. Okay, what is find number 1? Input and output is interchange, that is opposite diagram. DAF end at a 2 point. DAF end at a 2 point. Inverse, so start at 2 point. That's the simplest idea. Careful in this particular issue. If you miss it, I am sorry, we are missing the problem. So recall, DIT means start at 2 point, DIF means end at 2 point, inverse, reverse, ulta, start at 2 point. Where it is a 2 point butterfly, there only it should be decimated. So this side it should be decimated, and which means this side it should be direct. Okay, it's very simplest idea. Where I am having 2 point, it should be decimated. So x of 0, x of 4, x of 2, x of 6, x of 1, x of 5, x of 3, x of 7. Okay, this side direct, x of 0, x of 1, x of 2, x of 3, x of 4, x of 5, x of 6, x of 7. Okay, we are ready. Next, the first point, reverse, I made it. Second point, conjugate the total factor, 1j, 1j. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4 here, 1 by root 2 plus j 1 by root 2, j minus 1 by root 2 plus j 1 by root 2. And what is the third point? Here it should be 1 by 8, that is 1 by n. Since it is 8 point, it is 1 by 8. So with these preliminary sessions, we can start the problem. So before doing the calculation, please recheck it. DIF end at 2 point, inverse start at 2 point. Where 2 point, there it should be decimated. Conjugate the total factors. At the end, it should be 1 by 8. Okay, come on. What is the question? Here is the question. Okay, what is the question now? At 0, 5. Answer you know, please remember. So this is 0 location, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so come on, at the 0 location 5, at the 4 location 1, at the 2 location minus j, at the 6 location j, at 1 location 0, 5 location 0, 3 location 0, 7 location 0. Okay, so we are ready with the locations because it is decimated. Come on here, 5 plus 1, 6. 5 minus 1, 4. Minus j plus j, 0. Minus j minus means it should be minus 2j. 0 plus 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. On the way, just multiply. 6, 4, 0 into 1, 0. If you multiply j into j, j square, minus 1 into minus plus 1. So it should be 2. 0, 0, 0, 0. On the way, any number multiply. 6 plus 0, 6. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 minus 0, 6. 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2, it is 2. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 minus 0, 0. Okay. So here also 0, here also 0. On the way, any number comes, multiply. 6, 6, 6, 2. Just multiply 0. Good news. 0. Come on. 6 plus 0, 6. 6 plus 0, 6. 6 plus 0, 6. 2 plus 0, 2. 6 minus 0, 6. Here also 6, 6, 2 minus 0, 2. Divide by 8. It is 0.75, 0.75, 0.75, 0.25, 0.75, 0.75, 0.75, 0.25. You got the answer because it is direct, am I right? So x of n is equal to, come on, 0.75, 0.75, 0.75, 0.25. I am just writing directly because it is not a decimated, it is direct. That's the end of the problem. Okay. Careful in doing. Calculation is very simple. If you are perfect with your diagram, it is nothing. Make a note of that. We will do one more convolution problem using FFT, okay, where we can link DFT also, IDFT also. Okay, just careful. Let us say x of n is equal to, let us say x1 of n is equal to 1, 2, 2, 0. Okay. x2 of n is equal to 2, 3, 1, 1. question is find x of n is equal to x1 of n circular convolution x2 of n using Stockham's method implementing DAT FFT, everything, or Stockham's method or DFT DAT. And can you recall what is that Stockham's method? We should not do in time domain, we should do in frequency domain. So let us take its DFT. I will get x1 of k. Let us take its DFT. Okay, I will get x2 of k. Convolution in time domain, multiplication in frequency domain. That's what you learned in the Stockham's method. And the result will be x of k. Then you do IDFT. Can you remember that? Yes. This is the Stockham's method we did in the previous chapters. But implementing DAT FFT, which means you have to implement everything in terms of DAT FFT only. That is, you do DFT also and you do IDFT also. Everything you do by DAT FFT only. Okay, everything is by DAT FFT only. Okay. With this idea, so to do this DFT, I am in need of 4-point butterfly pattern. So to implement this DFT also, I am in need of another 4-point butterfly pattern. So remember, x1 of n, x1 of k, am I right? x2 of n, x2 of k. So DFT, careful. DAT means start with 2 points. I'm purposely using a lighter pen because the diagram should not overlap. It becomes dark. So DAT diagram I made. 2 times I have to do problem. So here one problem, here one problem. So at the same time I made both problems. Hello DFT. Okay. So 1 minus j, 1 minus j. Where 2 points, there it should be decimated. Okay, decimated. And this side also, here it should be decimated. And this side you will be getting direct. And this side you will be getting direct. So what is decimated? 0, am I right? 2, 1, 3. 0, 2, 1, 3. So let us bring the values 0 to 1, 3. So 1, then it is 2, then it is 2, then it is 0. So here also decimated, okay? 2, 1, 3, 1. Okay. Clear with me decimated sequences. 1 plus 2, so everything is ready. I can start the work. 1 plus 2, 3. 1 minus 2, minus 1. 2 plus 0, 2. 2 minus 0, 2. On the way any number comes multiply. 3 minus 1, 2 into 1, 2 minus 2j. So 3 plus 2, 5, minus 1 minus 2j, 3 minus 2, 1, minus 1 minus into minus plus 2j. Next let me come here. 2 plus 1, 3, 2 minus 1, 1, 3 plus 1, 4, 3 minus 1, 2. So on the way multiply. 3, 1, 4, 2 into minus j, it is minus 2j. 3 plus 4, 7, 1 minus 2j, 3 minus 4, minus 1, 1 minus of minus plus 2j. Okay. So we are ready. Next what I should do? Since it is direct, I will rewrite the work. x1 of k equal to 5 minus 1 minus 2j 1 minus 1 plus 2j. x2 of k will be from here and it is direct, okay. So 7 1 minus 2j minus 1 1 plus 2j. So what I should do, I have to multiply these two directly. That's the secret. So it's DIT I did, it's DIT I did. I should multiply here. Okay. So if you multiply, because x1 into x2, okay. If you multiply 5 into 7, it is 35. So here if you multiply, open bracket, minus 1 minus 2i close bracket into open bracket 1 minus 2i close bracket. So it will be minus 5 plus j0, okay. 1 into minus 1 minus 1 and then again minus 1 plus 2j into 1 plus 2i equal to minus 5, and the imaginary term is not there. Okay. So here to here I did here, x2 to x2k I did here, these two multiplication I did here. Now the result x of k is available. Now I have to do IDFT. Okay. Again it should be 4 points. IDFT means input is x of k and output is x of n. Careful. IDFT, okay. IDFT, inverse. I want DIT. DIT means start at 2 point, inverse, so end at 2 point. That's the secret here. That's the first one. And where 2-point diagram, where it should be decimated, you know that particular answer. So which means 0, 2, 1, 3. They said it is direct 0, 1, 2, 3. It's understood. So careful. So 3 points you should remember. IDFT means inverse, I made it, input is frequency, output is time. And DIT means start at 2 point, inverse, so end at 2 point. Then where it is decimated, there I have to do the 2-point butterfly paste. Second point is conjugating the total factor, so it should be 1 and plus j. Third point, what you should remember is 1 by 4, am I right? It's a 4-point problem, so it is 4 point. Now, happily I can start the problem. So let us bring 35 minus 5 minus 1 minus 5, because this side it is direct. Come on. 35 minus 1, 34. Minus 5 minus 5 minus 10. 35 minus or minus plus 36. 35 plus 1, 36. Minus 5 minus into minus plus, so it should be 0. On the way any number comes, multiply 34 minus 10, 36, 0 into j, 0. So 34 minus 10, 24. 34 minus into minus plus, so it should be 34 plus 10, 44. 36 plus 0, 36. 36 minus 0, 36. So the last work will be divided by 4. 24, 12, 6. 44 by 4, it should be 11. So 36 divided by 4, it should be 9. And here also 9. And that is decimated. The final answer x of n will be 6, 9, 11, 9. Okay. So this is the final answer, which is circular convolution of these two. Okay, please do remember that is the idea we should have. Okay, even we can do it with the simple techniques. I hope you know even the shortcut in signals and system. Can you please try to do that? 1 2 2 0 2 3 1 1. Hello sir, this is linear convolution. Good, I know that. Try to do linear convolution. 2 into 1 2, 2 into 2 4 4 0, 3 into 1 3 6 6 0, 1 2 2 0, 1 2 2 0. Then what you should do? So 2, 4 plus 3 7, 10 plus 1 11, 6 plus 2 8 plus 1 9, 2 plus 2 4, 2 0. Come on, it was a linear convolution answer, am I right? It was 4. Okay, careful with my handwriting. It is 4. It was a linear convolution answer because 4 point plus 4 point, 4 plus 4 8 minus 1 7 answer I do. Sir, we are doing circular curves, very simple. Do linear convolution. Circular means I need only 4 point. Take 4 point to bring remaining 4 2 0 using shifting property. Then you add 4 plus 2 6, 7 plus 2 9, 11 plus 0 11, 9. I hope that's the answer. 6 9 11 9. So with this beautifully we can check this particular problem. With this I would like to conclude this particular fast Fourier transform session. Thank you.